Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Writing Buddha. Wishing you all a very happy Navratri and a very happy Dashera in advance. Hope you all are enjoying the festival as much as possible. So today we are going to talk about this book You Never Know, written by Akash Verma. So this is a romantic thriller, and as you can see by the cover purely justifies the thriller, the genre of the book. And talking about the tagline, it says sometimes love can drag you through hell. And now that I have read this story, I can say that the tagline also justifies the story very well. And now talking about the author Akash Verma first. So he has been into this writing space in India since a decade, and I have read two books of his earlier. One was Three Times Loser, which I liked so much that I have recommended it to many of my friends, and almost all of them have loved this story. And his second book, A Broken Man, was also a fine attempt, and finally after 5-6 years I have landed upon this book of his, You Never Know, and I have equally enjoyed this book. So talking about the book first, I would say there are many things, many components into this story, such as the family life of the protagonist Dhruv, his extramarital affair with Anuradha, his professional life, his equation there with the people, then the sexual scenes that are embedded in the story, and the thriller aspect that the story is majorly about, then the backstory that it takes us to. So all of these factors are very well balanced and are given equal importance in the story. And I must say that the editing of this book has been done very nicely, for which I would also like to compliment the editing team of Penguin Publishers. Now talking about the crispness of the book, now the book is only about 216 pages, and the way author has mentioned about 3 characters and has been able to do justice with all of them is very nicely executed. Also the book is written so well mannered that I did not feel that any of the sentences out of the context throughout the book. I felt genuinity in all the paragraphs, in all the sentences, in every thought that author has mentioned. I felt that they were needed in the story, and none of the sentences are written just for the sake of stretching the story. Now talking about the narration, I would say that it is not very fast paced. Generally in the thriller we see that authors write the story in a very fast paced manner, which is okay for the people who read thrillers, but someone who does not, they feel that the book is very fast. This book is not like that. You will feel very convenient while reading it, yet you will feel that you are on a roller coaster ride. So that is the feeling that the author gives, along with making you comfortable. So I don't think narrating a story is very easy in that sense when it comes to the thriller genre. Now the 3 people who are mainly the characters in the book are Dhruv, the protagonist, his extramarital girlfriend Anuradha, and her ex-BF Sid, and all of them talk in their first voices itself. So you are able to connect with the psychic that they are going with, and why they are doing what they are doing, and throughout you keep on thinking if they are genuine or not, because they are in many of the decisions that they take. You also think that you also feel the darkness behind their characters. So both these things are very well introduced, very well narrated from the first voices of all these characters, and you just love going through the psychic of all of them, and you become a part of their journey, a part of the story that features them so very well. Now coming to the romantic part between Dhruv and his extramarital girlfriend Anuradha, it is also very nicely done, because as I said, both of them are talking from their first voices, so you get to understand the romantic story from both a man's point of view also and woman's point of view also. And the good thing is that because this is an extramarital affair, author has played with the dilemma very well throughout the book. So I loved how this thing has been handled. Now the way author brings back few characters from the past, because the book runs into 2 timelines. One is some 4-5 years back, and one is the current time. So the way few characters from 4-5 years back are brought into the current timeline is done so seamlessly that you just don't feel that there were some characters missing in the first half and they have got introduced all of a sudden in the second half. You can feel that why they are here, and you feel that if they would not have been there, the story would not have become exciting. Now I would also like to mention few factors that author has mentioned which could have been handled from a high level, from an eagle point of view, but author went deeper into it and made us feel how the people in the real life who face that goes through the challenges of it. So for an example, in a marketing team, when they have to give a demo to the client next day, the pressure and anxiety that comes with it is very well mentioned in this book. what happens when you are all of a sudden promoted to the highest level in the organization, the pressure that comes with it, how you deal with the people who were your peer or your junior, your senior, and now you are on upper level than them, and now how do you handle all of this is also very nicely done. The guilt that one feels when one is in extramarital affair, the toughness of building a startup in India where you have to raise funds and then a pressure that you always have to return it back, that is also very nicely defined in this book, which is also a main part of the thriller aspect in this book. The parents' anxiety when they come to know that their child is not going to be what a corporate employee like his peers, and he's trying to get into an entrepreneurial space, and the challenge that parents face in the society about it. So that is also very nicely done. So there are many such aspects in the book which are very nicely handled, very beautifully executed in the less amount of words that it could have done with. Now coming to the drawbacks of the book, I must say that there are not many, but I would like to say, because this book has been written in the two timelines, when author goes back, he mentions the date, so that you understand, okay, now we are going back in the story. But when he again comes in the current time, he does not mention that, though it is self-explanatory and you understand while reading. But still I feel that author should have mentioned for the beginners, because they might get confused with the timeline movement of the story. Secondly, I must say that the thrilling part needs a little more of twists and turns, and there should have been many more such elements after every 20 to 25 pages. So that is little weak in this, but still overall this book is very exciting, and I managed to complete it into in one sitting itself, because it is a show page turner, and while reading you would not feel like keeping it back, because you would like to know what happens next with these characters. I give this book 4.5 stars, and I recommend all of you to read it. So well, thanks. If you like this video, please do subscribe the channel if you have not yet done it, and please like this video and share it with your friends. May they also get into the reading space. Thanks a lot.